Hi everyone, this is Chris at the Wheel Screener, and I'm going to go over how to use our dashboards. So both the public facing one, and also if you're interested in upgrading to premium, it will kind of be a sneak peek of what that dashboard looks like and all the features it has. So right here, I'm on the public facing dashboard. I'm not logged in, and we offer all the contracts that our screener finds from companies in the S&P. And so essentially we just list them here. We do 100 contracts per page, and you see we've got up to 84 pages of contracts. So about 8,400 contracts today. And this is updated every day after the market closes. So for public facing users, people visiting the site, we just offer the listing here. You can of course filter by all these different metrics, or excuse me, I should say sort by all these metrics. And we've picked what we believe people will think are the most important metrics for running the wheel strategy. Now to show the premium tier, I'm going to log in with our company account here. And right away we see a small change here. We've got these tools up here to search, filter, and we can customize the table and also export what's in the listing to a CSV file. So search functions as you would expect. You know, if I want maybe some Tesla options, can sort for those. I think these are picked up. Yeah, these are the directional plays, so they're picked up by the Tesla search. Also, you can filter. So you can filter on strategy. So either cash secured puts or covered calls. So we've got, it's about half and half. 16,000 are cash secured puts. 16,000 are covered calls. And let's see here. So we see that First Republic Bank is some of the top scoring. That could be due to the volatility, and a lot of the guys on Wall Street Bets are placing bets on these. But let's say I'm not interested in those contracts, so I can filter out those here, and we see that they're filtered out from the listing. Maybe also let's take out AMC and Carvana. Can filter those out as well. And let's say I want at least, let's say the top 3/4 by score. So we've got 92 contracts, and those are all here. They fit all on one page here. And at any time, you can reset everything and get back to that full listing. Another thing that we've spent quite some time on is the ability for everybody to customize their layout. So for premium users, we have a huge variety of other metrics you can choose from to show on your listing. So we kind of take, as the default is the same as the public one with these metrics, but you can swap these out as you see fit, or as you like to search for your contracts. So just as an example, let's say I don't really care about the bid and ask. I anyway know that the data's delayed, right? It's compiled after the market closes. Just take the chart out, and let's say for some of these names I don't recognize, so I'll throw them in. I'll throw in the full stock name here. So we've got our preview here that's automatically saved. You can rename it if you want, but it's already saved in the layout. And if we return, then we see the layout exactly as we've created it. And another cool thing, if you want to go even a step further, let's say you like selling premium. Typically with the wheel strategy, there can be advantages with high implied volatility. You get that extra premium from selling those options. So maybe, for example, we want to highlight the IV metric here. So we can double click this metric. And here you can change both the header and the sell styles for this specific metric, in this case, implied volatility. Yeah, let's just make the font a bit bigger. Maybe I want it bold, and you know, we can highlight it like a nice bright color there, and we can even copy the sell styles up to the header. And again, this is already saved. You don't have to do any extra saving or any other steps. As soon as you edit it, it's saved. And of course, you could reset to the default if you wanted. So we see our custom style applied there, highlighting that IV. And of course, in the full listing, we see those highlighted. Now, these aren't entirely accurate, again, because we collect this data after the market closes. So some of the numbers, that's why you see a lot of zeros in here. But this is just an illustration of how far you can go with this customization. And of course, we've got our export to CSV, and that exports the data for you. And as one final little bonus that we throw in when you have premium, you'll get this little toggle here, and we do have a nice dark mode for all those who like dark mode. So that was a quick overview of our dashboard, both the public and the premium, how you can use it, all the filters, how you can go through and customize this table here. I hope it was helpful. I hope it was interesting. And of course, I hope you consider upgrading to our premium tier. And I will catch everybody next time. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.